So this is video number 2 of the 71 Corvette Stingray that we have. We've got it up on the rack now, and we wanted to show you it's an all numbers matching car with tons of new parts. As you can see, the sway bar end links and the bushings, and then you can see how clean that oil pan is. And we've got a little bit of moisture on the steering, on the power steering here, but nothing too hateful at all. But it has not been long since this engine has been out of here, and you can see where it was cleaned up. We have not sprayed or cleaned up in any way underneath of this. There's your power steering. And then this is a numbers matching car. Here are your numbers for the transmission. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but we can post some better pictures. And pictures of the numbers on the block as well. And as you can see, new backing plates, new control arms. It's a pretty solid car. And you can check out the next video, which is the walk around of the exterior on the car. Let's go ahead and show you this little crack in the paint here. Not the worst thing that I've seen underneath of it. So there you have it. 71 Corvette Part 2.